Hello friends, is your cruise control acting weird or refusing to work? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0584, it means there's an issue with the cruise control vacuum control circuit high input. This could be caused by a faulty solenoid, damaged wiring, or a problem in the cruise control system. But where exactly is the issue? Let's locate the sensor and fix this problem. What is P0584? The P0584 code stands for Cruise Control Vacuum Control Circuit High Input. This means the cruise control vacuum solenoid is receiving an unusually high voltage which can cause erratic operation, or a complete failure of cruise control. Common symptoms of P0584. Cruise control not engaging. Cruise control disengages unexpectedly. Check engine light CL is on vacuum leaks causing hissing sounds. Inconsistent throttle response. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0584, check these key components. Cruise control vacuum solenoid location, near the throttle body or intake manifold. This solenoid controls the vacuum pressure for cruise control. If it's faulty, the system won't function properly. Cruise control module location, under the dashboard or inside the engine bay, near the firewall. This module manages cruise functions. A malfunction can cause high voltage errors. Vacuum hoses and lines location, connected to the intake manifold and throttle body leaks in these lines can cause cruise control to stop working. Brake pedal position sensor location, above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If this sensor sends incorrect signals, it may disable cruise control unintentionally. Fuses and wiring harness location. Fuse box under the hood or dashboard. Blown fuses or faulty wiring can cause high voltage input to the solenoid. Common causes of P0584, faulty cruise control vacuum solenoid, excess voltage can keep it open, preventing proper vacuum control. Wiring issues or short circuits. High voltage in the circuit can cause electrical faults, blown fuse or bad relay. A fuse or relay failure can send incorrect voltage to the solenoid. Damaged vacuum lines. Cracks or disconnections cause vacuum pressure loss, affecting cruise control. Faulty cruise control module. If the module sends incorrect signals, the system won't work properly. How to fix P0584. Step 1. Scan for additional codes using an obd2 scanner. Step 2. Inspect the cruise control vacuum solenoid, replace it if receiving high voltage. Step 3. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect and replace cracked or disconnected hoses. Step 4. Test the wiring and connectors. Look for shorts or exposed wires causing high input. Step 5. Inspect fuses and relays, replace any faulty ones to restore normal voltage levels. Step 6. Reset the ECU and take a test drive to verify the fix. Ignoring P0584 can lead to a malfunctioning cruise control system and unexpected vehicle behavior. Fixing it early ensures smooth and safe driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0414, secondary air injection system switching valve. B malfunction P0415. Secondary air injection system switching valve. B circuit open, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.